So the first one is ganyan siya. Ang taba ko. Pero maganda siguro dito ako ay.
Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei says Iran will never cooperate as Israel and Iran continue to trade strikes. It comes as US President Donald Trump calls for Iran's leaders to unconditionally surrender.
Dito kaya.
There is actually a train that goes to the Grand Canyon. So today, I'm taking Amtrak all the way there. Sort of, because I love national parks, and the Grand Canyon.
Let's go here.
Jeez, Louise.
Yellow. Yellow is my weakness. Okay. See? Wala akong mabackground. Hindi na ako mag-electric fan guys kasi kung nag-electric fan pa ako. Okay. So this is my first outfit. See?
We finally arrived on stage here in Taoyuan, the mountains next to Tonto.
Try natin yung isa. Yung copy. Ay, yung kaki naman. color lang to.
Smashing down from the top. The whole world is falling apart and then flying away.
Oh,
Flashing lights. A lot of water, a lot of light.
guys, yung isa medyo mahaba.
And now we hear
Abot siya dito.
it's
Oh.
not so easy to get to this place.
O, diba? Yun. Yung maroon, medyo maiksi. Pero yung isa, mahaba, oh. Then, yung likod, oh. See? See na likod. Okay naman siya sa akin. Pag high waist lang yung suot. Ito, high waist. Kasi kung maiksi, hindi siya pwede. Kung may pantalon din ako na high waist, pwede din siya. Diba? Kulang na lang ako ng bag. Pag may bag ako, wait lang. Saan na yung bag ko dito? Ay, biskot na mga ano yan, mga gamit. Kalat-kalat. Ayan, so may bag. Halimbawa, ito yung bag ko. Okay? Kasi wala naman akong ibang bag. Ito lang. Pero, yan. Outfitan din. Sombrero. That's all. That's all my outfitan. See? Bahala buki. Tingnan. O, diba? Ito siyang dalawa. Maganda fear. Ito kasing isa, medyo maiksi siya eh. Maiksi siya kumpara dito. Mahaba yung isa. Yung maroon, medyo maiksi. Pwede yun siya sa short kung isa. Wait lang. See? So, yan. Ang aking outfitan.
Pasensya ni US President Donald Trump sa Iran. Ay Vice President J.D.
So, next natin ito. Try natin to. Ang color. Ano color to? Brown. Hindi ko lang alam kung haba din to. Maganda, brown. Wala akong na-order na black. Pero, nagandahan ako kaya baka mag-order pa ako ulit. So, okay. Let's go for the brown. Okay to siya. Copy. Nako. Masikip to. Parehas siya sa ano. Sikip. Ha? Hirap isuot guys. Ito naman siya. Ayan. So, ito siya. Katulad siya dun sa isa. Diba? Pero ang maganda sa kanya, yung likod kita yung bilbil mo sa likod, oh. Ito ba, oh. Diba? Ayos naman. Palitan ko yung aking, ito palitan ko kasi meron akong isa dito. Kasi gusto ko pag pag nasa probinsya, konti lang yung damit. Katulad nito, ganito lang. Ganito lang ako. Hindi na ako ng maraming damit. So palitan ko yung aking pang robo to, itong aking may medyasan ko lang to ng black, pwede na to doon ba, hindi na ako magdala-dala ng tapos pantalon na ito pang araw-araw to. So to try ko to part na ganda to sa maroon, pero yung black dapat at saka green. Black pa black at green ba. Try ko to kasi dalawa lang talaga tong short ko na high waist ito. Kailangan kasi dito high waist dahil diba? Ito.
They have been pushed back into Central Europe.
Look.
They are now focusing their efforts on conducting missile fire from the area of Isfahan. We are aiming at military targets. They are attacking civilian homes. The IDF will continue to operate with precision, strength, and resolve to ensure the safety of the people.
Nating bag.
Israel faces threats on many fronts. While we are working to remove threats from Iran, we are still fighting their proxy, Hamas in Gaza. We still hold 53 of our hostages in brutal conditions. We will not rest until they are returned home.
So,
thank you very much.
That's all. That's the outfit. See?
Alright, so you heard right there, very leaders from Israeli Defense Forces. The conflict with Israel and Iran is continued this Wednesday morning. I'm Gina Francie. We're going to step aside for a quick 2-minute commercial break. Don't go anywhere. More top stories and headlines when we return.
Okay guys, that's all my vlog for today. So ayan, nakita nyo naman. So yan yung aking iba-ibang sandal. So dahil maganda siya, order pa ako ulit. Black, green, and brown. And khaki pala. Kasi walang khaki. Ito, iba ito kulay. Okay, bye-bye!